Hey, this is Steve from PublishPress, and in this video I'm talking about the PublishPress Permissions plugin, which is the best way to control access to your WordPress content. And in particular, I'm going to be talking about how you can control access to advanced custom fields, which is an incredibly popular plugin. I have created a WordPress site with some custom fields using advanced custom fields, or ACF as I'll call it from now on. And inside a WordPress post, I've attached the fields and entered some data. We have a text field, a text area field, and an email field. And you can see them inside the content area here. I'm using a blocks plugin to show them. What we're going to do is hide them from certain users on the site. So on the front end, only the people that we choose are going to be able to see this ACF content. By default, this is what people will see. Field 1 is welcome to PublishPress. Field 2, improve your WordPress publishing with the PublishPress plugins. And field 3 is my email address. So we're going to use the pro version of PublishPress Permissions to control viewing access to these fields here. To do this, we'll go to our WordPress admin area and we'll go to the permissions link in the WordPress admin menu. And what I'm going to do is control access for a user role, such as author. If I wanted to, I could drill down to either logged in or not logged in users, or everyone, or even individual users. If I click on the Users tab, I can select exactly which users can view or cannot view these ACF fields. But in this video, I'm going to target a user role and I'm going to target authors. So what I'm going to do first is go to the settings area and I'm going to make sure that permissions is being applied to field groups. There we go. I've checked that box. And then I'm going to go back to permissions and I'm going to edit the author role. And what I'm going to do is choose to apply restrictions or permissions to the field groups. And here we go. We have view access. And I can decide to either enable or to block view access for the authors. And if you have a whole bunch of field groups here, you can check the boxes for any of them. I just have one field group, so I'm going to check the box here. I will click on Add Selected and click on Save Permissions. So what I can do now is test someone in the author role to see if they can view the fields that I have added to the WordPress posts. I have PublishPress capabilities installed, which is going to give me a very cool user testing feature. What it does is allow me to go to the user screen and hover over any of these users and click on Test User. I'm going to find an author and I'm going to test one of these authors. So I'm now logged in as an author, and if I go back to the post with the ACF fields, you can see they've vanished. They're being hidden. I can see the rest of the content. I can see the title, the author, I can see the date, I can leave comments. The only thing that's being restricted is the ACF fields. Let me go back and double check as an administrator to see if that's correct. I'll go to the posts area, I'll go to that post, and there we go. We have the ACF fields there. Let me try that one more time. This time, I'm going to make all of these fields private to people who are logged into the site. I will go back to the dashboard. I'll go to Permissions, and I will go to the Not Logged In option here. So this is for visitors who don't have an account on the site. I'm going to do exactly the same thing. Field group, block, and I'm going to block the My Fields field group. I will add the selected option there. I will save this. And what I can do is go to find the About PublishPress post. And here we go. We have the 3 fields that are visible. I can do something very simple to test this. I will grab the URL, I will log out, and I will see this site exactly as a visitor would. The ACF fields are hidden. So the PublishPress Permissions plugin is the best plugin in WordPress to control access to your WordPress content. You can control access to ACF fields, plus the post types and taxonomies created with ACF, plus also WooCommerce pages, WooCommerce products, normal WordPress posts and pages, you name it, PublishPress Permissions can control access to your WordPress content. There's a free version available on WordPress.org for you to try out. In this video, we have tried the pro version of the plugin with specific access to ACF fields, but it really is an awesome plugin and you can do a ton with the free version. Give PublishPress Permissions a try today.